Welcome to our guide on online payment processors. Today, we'll explore what they are and why they're important for your business. First, let's look at the different types of online payment processors available, such as credit card processors, digital wallets, and payment gateways. When it comes to choosing the right payment processor, consider factors like transaction fees, supported payment methods, and customer support. Now, let's set up your account. Follow these steps to get started with your chosen payment processor. Next, we'll discuss how to integrate your payment processor with your e-commerce platform for seamless transactions. It's crucial to prioritize security. Implement best practices to ensure safe transactions for you and your customers. Before launching, make sure to test your payment system thoroughly to ensure everything works smoothly. Handling transactions effectively means processing payments promptly and managing any refunds efficiently. Sometimes issues arise. Here are some common payment problems and how to troubleshoot them. In conclusion, using online payment processors effectively can enhance your business operations. Remember these best practices as you move forward.